Hey guys, it's Yani here. Today's video, I'm gonna be reading your assumptions about Fabio. If you haven't seen the video where Fabio reads the assumption about me, go ahead, check the link down below. This video has been surfacing the internet. Everybody's been doing it. All the YouTubers have been doing it. So of course, Fabio and I are not gonna be behind with the time, so we're gonna be doing it as well. As you know, we've been long distance for a few days now. He's gonna be gone for a month. He went home to Italy to visit his family, and I just saw the video where Fabio reads the assumption about me, and it was hilarious. The initial idea was I was gonna read my own and he was gonna read his own, but I thought everybody's been doing that, so might as well, you know, advance ako mag-isip. So subscribe to this channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first one, I died already. And the very first one who commented, he said bottom, no comment. The next one is from Marvin Malabanan, which, by the way, shout out to Marvin. I always notice his comments. I always notice your comment. You always watch our video. Shout out to you. He's funny and smart. He can tell you a joke with a straight face, and you'd find it hard to react because you don't know if he's joking or not. But if you have been around with him for so long, you would know the difference. That's what I think about Fabio. You're absolutely right, actually. There are times that he would tell me a joke, and I would to pause and look him in the eye if he's serious or not, and for most of the time it's a joke. So you're right. Good observation. This one's from Lulu. Lulu as well. I recognize the name. You guys, we read the comments, okay? So we recognize your names if you always comment, and if you are day ones. Lulu, I think, is one of the day ones. She's been commenting since day one. She writes, funny pero minsan ayoko kasi hindi niya ini-embrace ang ugaling Pinoy at mga food. Laging may reklamo. Yeah, he always has something to say about something. Kasi minsan killjoy siya, pero okay naman siya, mabait, charot. Hindi kasi ako plastic kung ano nakita ko sasabihin ko. That's true. Yeah, you're right. He complains a lot sometimes, but he's actually not picky. But he gets very picky, which annoys me a lot. The next one's from Miss J. What I like the most about him is that he is really funny, but it seems he doesn't know it. I appreciate he says everything he thinks without filter, and I really like his eyes. I know he has beautiful eyes, right? His blue eyes. But you're right about no filter. He does that a lot. Next one is from Aliyah Gonzalez. He's really funny and not ashamed of showing his true self in public, but it seems he is completely different in front of his loved ones. He's actually a lot sillier, more funny when in front of his loved ones. Pete John Nasty Pongkol says, I thought he was a bitch. Sometimes he's a bitch. Oh my god, this was a very long comment. Give me time to read it. From Maldita. I don't know if I should read this. I don't know what it says. His eyes look deep. It's like there's always something in his head, thinking about anything. Probably he writes a lot, and when he's not talking, so he could pour out his thoughts. This is so true. The first paragraph alone is so true. Spot on. I have nothing to explain. It's true. He does think a lot. He could be funny and loud when he's with someone super close to him, but finds it a little bit hard to get attached with other people, or it takes time before he finally opens for you. Like a super mysterious guy. It's true. He's a Scorpio, so it's true. And he's also a low-key, he's more introverted than me. Compared to the two of us, he's more introverted. P.S. I don't think he doesn't give a fuck on how we see him. He doesn't care what people think about him. Is this your idea, Yani? Yes, it's my idea. You're absolutely right. He doesn't care anything at all. If you guys would tell him that he's ugly, he actually doesn't care. If you guys would tell him that he doesn't care, like if you notice in our videos, some of our vlogs, he actually would just walk behind me with his underwear on. That's it, nothing else. He doesn't really care. That's what I admired about him when I first met him. Like, he has a very different perspective in life. I care too much about what other people think, but he doesn't. I like his eyes full of soul. You could feel the way he looks or stares at you that close. His honesty and kindness. I like this man and of who he is deep inside. Wow, I'm like that. That's good. Hates bullshit. I think he is a lovable and kind-hearted person. Also, he adores Yani a lot. Anyway, they are so cute and perfect together. Just so happy that he is trying his best to try some Filipino culture together with Yani. Keep being yourself because you're adorable as it is. Wow, you guys, these comments are so sweet. What happened to the hate comments? You know what? After we did the hate comment, reacting to hate comment video, we noticed that none of you commented hate comments anymore. He's a very straightforward person. He wants everything to be neat and clean. This is so true. He's a good looking guy and think he really loves you, Yani. Cute kayo mo duha sa video ninyo. Aw, thank you. He's a very good looking guy, but I don't think that's an assumption. That's obvious. He's funny and witty. It's like love him or leave him type. For real. What he portrays himself out to the world is like take me or leave me. Like like I said, he really doesn't care about what other people think. Problem Daydreaming said he's more of a night owl rather than a morning sun. No, actually, this is wrong. He sleeps very early because he always works so much, so when he comes home he's so tired, so he sleeps early, and then he likes waking up early too. From the very beginning, char English. Kafani kaayo si Fabio. Walking sense of humor ba? I bet walay dull moments in yung pag-uban Yani. Hinaot pa nga forever na mo. My forever ba? Is there forever? Yeah, I know. I hope so too. And you are absolutely right. Every time we're together, there's always something going on with Fabio's head, and he would just say it, and I would just find myself laughing. Jay Mondejar said, "A tender, loving hot dog." He loves hot dog. No joke. He actually loves hot dog. John Christian Lobo said aggressive. I don't think so. In some ways maybe, but in most of the time, I'm more aggressive than him. Sweet and clingy. He is! Every time I go to Guelph, I go home for a weekend and he would just stay in Toronto. He would text me like, come back, I miss you, come back. I'm like, no, I need time away from you. I'm stressed. Jacob Lopez said, top or bottom? Well, check out our video. We made a video already about this. Who is the top and who is the bottom? Marlene Arcibal said, curious lang ko Yani ba? Kanang DAKS si Fabio. You guys will be the judge of that. There's a lot of video that he's been wearing underwear in our vlogs. So, you guys will be the judge. DAKS ba? Oh my god, many people are commenting Biggie, you auditioned to be a model. I don't think he did, but he auditioned to a lot of things. Like, he was a dancer, right? So he auditioned to a lot of roles. Margarita Banana said, he is so cold at Yani sometimes, but he's funny and smart. He is very cold when he's working and he's focused, and I try to annoy him and I try to talk to him. He would just yell at me. He was like, Yani! That's him. He speaks his mind and he makes sense. On point. I think he's a good and sensitive person. I can relate to him being an OCD. He seems kind of bitchy sometimes and I find it funny. How do you... Wow, you guys are... Your assumptions are so on point. Like, you guys seem like you've been with us since we were born. Like, we were friends. We've been friends forever. Fabio looks like the one who controls Yani if the latter acts too much. When I say too much is when he comments too much and sings afterward. Love you both. Fabio is very emotional. He is! He's a Scorpio. He's a water sign. You're right, May. He is an emotional person. He has troubles letting go on things. Like, yeah, I'm oversharing. We are vloggers. We put everything about our lives on the internet, but we still like to keep private things about us. Marie Chris said, a bit scared to go to Philippines for safety reasons? Question mark. Actually, no. He was already in the Philippines. Pokemon Pika said, DAKS malaki. Mitchell Malupa said, Bayot. Of course! Marichu Chong said, he's a smart and skillful one, but he tends to get disappointed easily. Yeah. Like, everybody gets disappointed, I guess. Big dick. Oh my god, you guys are on point. No, I'm not. That's not what I mean. That's not what I mean. I mean, you guys are like straightforward with your comments. Oh my god, I need to edit that out. Fashionista, snobbish, hard to please, but a good person. He's very hard to please. Oh my god, he's hard to please. I don't know about Fashionista though. Every time we go out, he would ask me what he should wear, and it takes us 30 minutes to get out of the door because he would change 5 times. Oh my god, magaling sa kama. No comment. You guys are like no filter whatsoever. Oh my god, this one said gay, period. Of course. Naturally funny, but I think arrogant sometimes. Yeah. Somebody said bitchy. Hashtag that is a fact. He looks cool and calm sometimes, but he could be mataray sometimes. Yeah, mataray. Mataray sometimes. Yeah, he is very mataray, bitchy. I think Fabio is on the conservative side while you are the loud, outgoing one. But that's good between the two of you. You complement each other well. Godspeed, Yani and Fabio. This is so true. On point. I'm liking that comment. Somebody asked, who is the boy, Yani or Fabio? We are both the boy. That's what makes us gay. Okay. Vaklang twa? Somebody said, nindot kayo siyag skin and eyes. For Tagalog viewers, that means he has beautiful skin and eyes. That is so true. I love his eyes. Don't you guys love his eyes? It's so blue. Well, that's all I could read. There's a lot of comments, but that's all I could read. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys haven't seen the one that Fabio reads the assumption about me, go ahead, check the link down below, and check out our channel as well. Don't forget to subscribe, and we really appreciate your support, you guys. And thank you for all the support throughout the year, and there's many more announcements coming for you next year, and for this channel and for our future channels. Again, thank you so much, and we will see you all next time. Bye, guys.